Welcome to very first session of Capsule. Let's consume, learn and excel. Our digital series dedicated to enriching your understanding of quality at Tata Steel. Here we will talk about quality concepts one at a time covered in short durations. Today's topic is VOC, that is Voice of Customer. But before jumping into the details of Voice of Customer, let's understand whom we call our customers. Customers can be divided into two broad categories: external customers and internal customers. External customers are those who receive the finished goods, in our case, the various steel product consumers that may be big as car manufacturers or small scale retailers, while internal customers are nothing but the processes next in the process chain. For example, iron making is customer for raw material and steel making is customer for iron making and so on. Coming back to the voice of customer, the objective is to know our customer's requirement, then to convert those requirements to understandable languages that can be understood easily by our workers and managers. For example, if cracks are reported through a complaint, it may indicate fast or uneven cooling, while the customer will never say those exact words. Moreover, our improvement initiatives are also guided by VOC so that we don't end up working in wrong direction during planning stage or quality assurance practices. We can say capturing the voice of customer is very important for any industry. Thus, we must provide multiple avenues to collect their requirements as much as possible. Some of such avenues are listed here, although there are many more. The objective behind is to have an open ear 24 into 7 so that none of the customer's requirement goes unheard of. The voice of customer captured through various avenues goes for compilation and classification. There they are assigned for action to respective departments or sections. The actions taken on VOC are tracked and reported in various review forums. If not resolved, the issues are escalated and reassigned to other groups or handled through different strategies. Finally, after the resolution of issues raised by the customer, it again submitted to the customer for feedback. This cycle is common for both external as well as internal customers. At Tata Steel, we follow a few formats for capturing customers' requirement. Memorandum of Understanding, Charter of Agreement, etc. are used for internal customers, while for external customer we usually use SDC, TDC, and we use input output sign off in case of utility providers. All are basically different ways of capturing voice of customer while intentions behind it are same. I hope the session was useful to you. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes.